everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I'm here with your last chance printable coupons video. So there are quite a few really good coupons that are about to go away. As you know, the reason I post the last chance video is because these coupons are going to go away within the next probably 3 or 4 days. Some even sooner. So if you see a coupon you want here, you better jump on it and print it. So keep in mind, yes, I know many people just are like, I'll go to coupons.com. And honestly, I don't understand why people would just go to coupons.com unless you don't know that if you print from an affiliate website like my own, that it helps us all out like tremendously when you print from our site. We get a small commission based off of it. And coupons.com, of course, still gets part of it, but they just like to pay us to be advertised. I mean, that's not what they're doing. It's an affiliate program. So if I get someone to print a coupon from my site, they get credit for the print and then they give me back a small commission. That's how it is with any blogger or anyone who has coupon printing. So yeah, if you guys enjoy my videos, honestly, I would really ask you to please print using my link instead of just going to coupons.com. It just really is helpful when you all do that. So please do that. So yeah, let's just dive right in. We have $3 off of Persil discs or laundry detergent. That's a great coupon right there. You're probably going to want to print it in case Ibotta happens to bring something back, which would be awesome if they did. It's been gone for a while, but maybe they'll bring a rebate back. Arm & Hammer detergent coupons. Nutri-Grain. Kellogg's Fruit Loops birthday. That doesn't even really sound appealing, but I don't know. $2 on Huggies. This would be great on our mega event. And then $1 on Arm & Hammer liquid detergent. And this is the good one. 50 cents on Huggies wipes. You're going to want to hurry and print that. You really are, because those are on mega event for 99 cents. So 49 cents. $1 on Garnier Fructis and $3 on 2 L'Oreal. $1 on Arm & Hammer Power Packs. And then Talenti. I feel like we just got these coupons and they're taking them away. $1 off Nature's Bounty. $1 on Maybelline. Buy one get one free Hills Science Diet dog food. $2 on Pull-Ups Training Pants. $2.50 on Talenti Gelato on 3. $1 on Stonyfield Kids Yogurt Multi-Pack. $1 on Garnier Nutrice Hair Color. $1 on Keebler Sandy's Cookies. And $5 on Sundown Organic Vitamins. 75 cents on Drano. $5 on NeoCell. $3 on Prevacid. 55 cents on Friendlies. Cake Singles. I've never seen those. Then $1 on Kiwi sneaker product. $1.25 off of 1850 K-Cups. $3 on the Vitafusions, and then $5 off of a Revlon Salon One-Step Hair Dryer. And the rest of this is junk ads they just want to throw in. And then these are all current, so those aren't going anywhere. So yeah, that's all that I have for this video. Like I said, if you see coupons you want to print there, feel free, please print them using my link. You can print them 2 times. Keep that in mind. You can always print a coupon twice. And if you don't want coupons, you can always deselect them too. Or if you're feeling really ambitious, go through and look at all these coupons and add the ones you want. Like I said, it's the exact same as coupons.com, so you can get the exact same features. It just really helps me when you do that. So yeah, that's all that I have for now, and thank you so much for watching.